Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. Today also we shall discuss about the profit and loss appropriation account under direct method only. So already we have to discuss that what is meant by profit and loss appropriation account. Now we have to take one more illustration for the related to the profit and loss appropriation account. So take one question about profit and loss appropriation account. So under that, first question number 1, Vinay and Vidya are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 6:4. Their capitals on 1st April 2019 were rupees 2 lakhs and rupees 1 lakh respectively. They made a profit during the year rupees 89,400 before making the adjustments. Apart from that, point number A, interest on capital at 8% per annum. Adjustment number B, allow a salary of rupees 1,000 to each partner. Next, adjustment number C, their drawings during the year rupees 20,000 and rupees 15,000 respectively. Point number D, interest on drawings amounted to rupees 2,000 and 1,800 respectively. Prepare prepare P and L appropriation account as on 31st March 2020. So this is the question. According to this question, we have to calculate profit and loss appropriation account. So here also one more new adjustment is there. So let us go through the detailed solution of the question. Before going to make a solution, just we have to make some kind of assumption. Vinay and Vidya are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 6:4. In the previous question, they are not given any ratio. They are saying that they are the equal profit sharing partners. But in this question, they are given the ratio specifically. If we get any profit, if we get any losses, we have to distribute it according to this ratio only. Their capitals as on 1st April 2019 were rupees 2 lakhs and rupees 1 lakh respectively. They made a profit during the year rupees 89,400 before the adjustment. So this will be considered as a net profit. Opening balance we have to consider. Their profit for the year 31st March 2020 rupees 89,400 before making the adjustment. That means before distributing all the adjustment, they will earn a profit of rupees 89,400 respectively. So some adjustment they are given. Number 1, interest on capital at 8% per annum they are given. So this adjustment always come to the debit side of the appropriation account. Number 2, allowed a salary of rupees 1,000 to each partner. So here 2 partners are there. Each and every partner they have to allow a salary rupees 1,000 to each partner per month. That means, so out of the 12 months, we have to give the salary both the partners only. Suppose they are given annual salary, means we should given only once directly to the amount column. Here they are given each partner per month they are given, means so we have to multiply this 1,000 into 12 both the partners, because here they are given each partner also. So this will come to debit side of the appropriation account. Let's come to the adjustment number 3. Their drawings during the year rupees 20,000, 15,000 respectively. Here they are given their drawings. So this adjustment we won't consider, because we have to consider only interest on drawings, not for the drawings value. Next adjustment number 4, interest on drawings. They are given the word interest on drawings rupees 2,000 and 1,500 800 respectively. This adjustment will come to the credit side of the appropriation account. Finally, prepare profit and loss appropriation account as on 31st March 2020. So this is the information we are given. With the help of this information, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So let's come to the heading profit and loss appropriation account as on 31st March 2020. So this is the financial year which we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So draw the columns particulars rupees, particulars rupees. So left hand side we should consider as a debit side and right hand side we should consider as a credit side. According to this criteria, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account only. So in this account, we have to follow some steps. Step number 1, always we have to transfer opening balance of the profit and loss appropriation account. That will comes to the credit side only by profit and loss account in bracket net profit. In the question itself they are given they earned a profit of rupees 89,400. Before allowing that 89,400 we should be considered as a opening value of the profit and loss appropriation account. This is step number 1. Next, remaining steps we should follow based on the adjustments only. So each and every adjustment will say something. According to that adjustment only, we have to prepare appropriation account. So adjustment number 1, it will says that interest on capital at 8% per annum they are given. So directly we have to calculate the interest on capital. So that will comes to the debit side adjustment number 1. 2. Interest on capital. Under that, first partner Vinay. So Vinay's capital is 2 lakhs into 8%. 2 lakhs into 8%, 8 2s are 16,000. Vidya. So Vidya's capital is 1 lakh into 8%. So we have to get 8,000. We have to get 8,000. That is adjustment number 1. Let's come to adjustment number 2. So allowed a salary of rupees 1,000 to each partner per month they are given. Per month means monthly they will get a salary rupees 1,000. So in one financial year it will get 12 months. 12 months will be considered as a 1 year. So they are given monthly salary means we should multiply it with 12 months. Suppose they are given annual salary means we should not multiply. We should directly record it to the amount column. So in this question they are given monthly salary means 2 salary account. So whose salary? Vinay, Vidya. These two persons are the partners. So 1,000 into 12, gain 1,000 into 12. So 12,000 for each partner's salary per annum it will get. 12,000, 12,000. Next, adjustment number 3. What it will say? By their drawings during the year they are given, adjustment number 3 will not affect it to our account, so we have to ignore that adjustment. Adjustment number 4, interest on drawings. That means they will be calculated. The interest on drawings amounted to rupees they are given, that is 2,000 and 1,800. That value directly transferred to the credit side of the appropriation account. We should write like this: by interest on drawings. Interest on drawing. So in that, first partner Vinay, Vidya. Vinay's drawings is 2,000. Vidya's drawings is 1,800 rupees. So these are the adjustments which will come to in this question only. Now we have to close the account. How to close the account means just go through the question solution, which side we have a highest value, whether it may be debit side, whether it may be credit side. According to this solution, credit side only we have to get a highest value, that means we will get the profit. So make the total by giving the gap of 3 to 4 lines. make the total. So 89,400 plus 2,000 plus 18,000, we will get 93,200 rupees. Same value we should transfer to debit side also, 93,200. So out of this 93,200, deduct the debited values, we will get the difference value. The difference value is 45,200. So we will give a star mark because this value they are not given in the question. We have to find out that value and we will give a name to partners. Capital account. In bracket, mention that profit. So this profit we have to distribute it according to their profit sharing ratio, that is 6:4. That means 6/10, 2/10 we have to get. So who are all the partners? Vinay. So 45,200 into 6 divided by 10, we will get one value. Vidya. 45,200 into 4 divided by 10. So by distributing this one means first partner 27,120 has to get. One more partner 18,080, 180 we have to get. By adding these two, we will get the same value, is we have to do a right distribution. Suppose any kind of variations will be there, means we are distributing in the wrong manner. Like that we have to assume. So like this manner we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account in all the angles also. So this is the direct method of preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. In the next class we have to calculate profit and loss appropriation account indirect method, that is guaranteed to a profit to the partner. So that we shall discuss into the next class also. Thank you very much.